Hello, guys. How are you guys? How everybody's doing? I hope everybody's doing well. And for those that has any problem or sickness, I pray to God Almighty to see you through to heal you. Um, as you can see, this is my floor in my house. I have a very big floor. From that area, it comes down here, a very big floor to clean. As you can see, it's a very big floor. Going inside here, the living room, but I'm not showing you there. It's a very big floor. Sometimes it gives me pain to clean it. It also gives me some strain in my body, bending down, cleaning it, mopping it. So today, I came across this little beautiful monster. It's a robot vacuum cleaner. That means it can clean for itself without me doing anything. Just make sure that it's charged and put it on and leave it to clean. It rotates around the house. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just doing it for my own video. So I'm gonna unbox it and then see how it works, how it operates. First, I'm gonna unbox it, show you how it looks inside, and then let me grab my stool. Yeah. So this is how it looks. This is the robot vacuum cleaner on top. This is the under of the robot vacuum cleaner. And these are the things that it has inside. It has a robot vacuum cleaner. It has the dustbin system that is holding the dirt. It has the brush, and this is the moppings. This is the mop to wipe, and this is the charger. So yeah, it shows that around the robot vacuum cleaner it has a sensor, and this is the dustbin, of course, where it gathers the dirt, and this is the under, and this is how it looks. So I'm excited. Let's open it and see how it looks like inside. Oh, guys, watch. Just open it. This is the charger, and this is the sweeping brush, and try to remove it. Wow, this is how it looks. This is the top, this is the back. Yeah. This looks beautiful. So this is the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. It has two brushes at the front, and it has a small wheel, like a sensor that rotates the robot vacuum cleaner. And this is a mop. This is the mop that's, yeah. So this is detachable. You can wash it and put it again. And it mops the floor. As it cleans, it mops the floor. So let's fix it back. Okay, this is where the dirt enter, because this is the top and this is the bottom. This is where the dirt enter as the brushes are sweeping the dirt, and then it come inside here. And on top of here, yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, this is soft touch. Here is where you charge it. Yeah. These are just two extra brushes, and let's just see. Yeah, it opens like this, and it's easy to remove the dustbin inside. This is the dustbin. Easy to remove, and you clean it, and you throw the dirt, and then you fix it again. So this is the way how it looks. These are the manuals in different languages. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna see if it has some power. So we can try it. Put it on here. Oh, it's come on, guys. I hope it's working. So guys, you see, this is the bottom, this is the mop. These are the two brushes that clean, and when it's clean, it come inside here. So I see it's come on when I put the power button on. And let's see, and let's try it and see if it can work. Oh yeah. Guys, it's working. It has some charging. Wow. Let me come at the front. You see the two brushes, the way they clean, the way they rotate. Yeah, it has sensor around it. When it hits or bump on the wall, it rotates. And then go to another direction. This is so amazing. I don't want it to come inside the room. Yeah. It's amazing the way it's clean. It's so amazing. See. So this I think can help me cleaning my floor. See the way it works? Just soft touch. When it touches anything, soft touch. And it's looks for another direction. So amazing. So can just be sitting down doing other things, and you have this one cleaning and mopping the floor. This is amazing. The box here. Just follow it for some moments and see how it cleans. This is amazing. You see? See the way it goes to the corner and clean. It has just have this powerful sensor system. Just amazing. See. This is just for tests, so you guys can see. According to the manual, when it's fully charged, it can be on and be cleaning for 120 minutes. For 1 hour 20 minutes. It can be cleaning and mop for 1 hour 20 minutes, guys. So amazing. It's coming out from there. Just so amazing. It's finished to mop that corner, and now it's moving another area. Of course, a low carpet like this, if it's stable, it can climb it. It's cleaning and mopping at the same time. Let me just pick it up so when it's on, so that you can see how it looks like. So this is the way how it works. Oh, it went out because I pick it up and turn it upside down. Okay guys, I hope you love and like the video.